First, in an electric mixer, you're going to mix together 3/4 a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Now add 1 egg, 1 egg yolk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now mix in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Slowly mix in 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now gently mix in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now you're going to add 1 cup of chopped up pecans. Place your cookie dough on ungreased baking sheets. Put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, sprinkle kosher salt or pretzel salt over the top of your cookies and then put them back in the oven for another 9 minutes. Now enjoy your amazing chocolate pecan cookies.